I'm Adam, the executive chef at the Lodge at Woodloch. Today I'm going to show you how to roast a chicken. So our chicken's been marinating in the refrigerator for 8 hours. We're going to pull this out and put this right into the sink. Alright, so we're going to rinse the excess marinade off of this. We want to make sure we really give it a nice rinse. If we leave any of the excess marinade on here, the chicken's going to brown up quickly and it's going to burn before the chicken's actually done. Alright, so we're going to place this on a cutting board. We're going to pat this dry. You can use paper towels. Paper towels work really well. Okay, we want to make sure we dry this off. If we don't really dry this chicken off, our mustard rub's not going to stick and we're not going to get a nice finished product. Okay, so we're going to take this chicken and let it sit on the side for 1 hour at room temperature. While that's drying, we're going to start to make our mustard rub now. Okay, I'm going to take Dijon mustard, paprika, onion powder, black pepper, garlic powder, and white pepper. Okay, we want to mix this up really well. Now we're ready to rub our chicken. Okay, our chicken's been drying. Take this and now you're going to get your hands dirty. All right, you really want to make sure you're rubbing in. This rub's going to give us a lot of nice flavors. Okay, get under the wings and the legs. Okay, once we have our rub on the chicken, we're going to rinse our hands off, of course. We're going to insert a meat thermometer. Now you want to insert the thermometer at the thickest part of the thigh so we can get an accurate reading. Now we're going to put this on our roasting pan. We have a rack in this roasting pan also to keep it elevated. We're going to have some juices come to the bottom. We'll be able to baste with those juices. And next we're going to put our tin foil over the breast. The piece of foil is going to prevent the breast from browning too soon, and it's going to allow the legs and wings to brown up evenly. And so we're going to place this in a 400-degree oven for 30 minutes. All right, so our chicken's been roasting for about 30 minutes. We're going to start to baste. We're going to pull this out, take the foil off. Just be careful, it's going to be hot. And we'll start to baste the chicken. Now we're only going to have to baste it this one time, but it's definitely going to make a difference with the flavor. Okay, we've basted. Now we're going to drop the temperature to 325 degrees. All right, so our chicken's been roasting for 30 minutes. We're going to go ahead and check the temperature. Okay, it looks great. The thermometer is reading 165 degrees. All right, here we have our perfectly roasted chicken. Right now, it's so hot, the juices are running inside the chicken. As soon as you cut into that, you're gonna lose a lot of the juices. So you wanna make sure you let that rest before you cut into it. And also you wanna let it cool down so you can take the skin off. There's a lot of added fat in the skin and you wanna make sure you're avoiding that.